Hello and welcome to another video on our channel, and you probably can't see me again. It's a little too dark. So today is the last day of Globalfest, so this is the grand finale. So we're gonna go see the fireworks. We're not actually going in visiting the fest, so we're only gonna see the fireworks. We just got back from Ontario, so this is the only fireworks we can see. Now, baby back there has seen them already, but he was like, what, 4 months old? So this is gonna be the first time he can actually understand what's going on. So let's see his reaction. So see you there. So here we are, where we parked. So we're gonna walk from here. It's still quite a bit far away. I want to show him feet up. Nobody mowing the grass here.
I'm sorry, Doris.
Okay, where do you want us to sit? Back there by the wall? Huh? If you want to go back by the wall, we can go there. Look, baby. So what, it's not gonna be fireworks, it's gonna be drones this year?
Cái trống của lại.
Well, we don't know about that, but like he likes all the vehicles that are passing by, traffic. He's going right in there.
Go inside.
Are we going home? Yeah, let's go home, right? So you're supposed to ride on the stroller. Cannot see there, it's too low. Is that the proper way to ride in the stroller, baby? Well, I don't think it's only him. He wanted to get rid of everybody that was sitting there blocking the road and watching the fireworks. Oh yeah, looks like he's gonna give him a ticket. I don't know. Huh? He went on the graph. Let's go. He's not that much interested anymore. And it's cool. Oh, all of these people are stuck here waiting too. I bet he's gonna watch the fireworks. Are you falling asleep, baby? Let's put you in the proper position, huh? Yeah? Yeah, you're falling asleep. Yeah, okay. He's coming for this guy's son. They're still not moving. So there we are, home. And yeah, you cannot see me. We're home. At some point we thought there wasn't gonna be any fireworks, so I kind of started to leave, but there were fireworks, so that's pretty good. And this was really the first time for Philip to actually see real fireworks, because last time he was like, what, 4 months old, so didn't really know what was going on. But yeah, even if he got bored at some point, and it's cold too. It was a really hot day today, but the nights are starting to get really cold. I guess winter's coming. But anyways, this is it for this video. Thank you very much for spending the time, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.